Hi foodies, welcome back to Classmic Kitchenette by Nikita Jain. So let's prepare Chia Delight, a healthy version of breakfast. So for this recipe we need a bowl and we will add milk in it. Milk is at room temperature. Do not fill the milk to the top, and in the same we will add 2 tablespoons of chia seed or sabza seed. You can get these chia seeds from Amazon or nearby grocery stores. Mix the chia seed into milk and leave it overnight or for 5 to 6 hours. Eating chia seeds with milk is a rich source of calcium and protein. Well, I put this mixture in my freezer for overnight. If you are trying to lose weight, this is the best recipe you can have daily. Next morning you can see chia seeds have absorbed in the milk completely and now it's ready to consume. Here you can also add honey in it, but I am using fruits for my recipe, so I am not going to add any type of sugar. So first of all, on the base of a glass jar I am adding papaya. Papaya is really a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C. You can also prepare this recipe in a glass. After this we will add a layer of mixture of chia seed we prepared. This is really good combination. Trust me, once you eat this you are going to make it again and again. You can add whatever fruit you like to have with your chia seeds, or you can adjust the quantity of chia mixture as well. Now on the top of this I am going roughly chopped apples. Apples are also rich source of fiber and so as chia seeds. So this is going to be a very good combination. And above them again we are layering chia seed mixture. Layer by layer we will keep doing this. Again adding a mixture of chia seeds. You can adjust the quantity as I said earlier. Now on the top of it I am going to add some bananas that I have cut it in round shape. This is the reason I am not adding any kind of sugar in chia's mixture, because fruits have natural sweeteners that will balance our recipe very well. Repeating the same process, we will add a layer of chia mixture. Now after that I am going to add some pomegranates in it. Pomegranate will balance the sweeteners and also give a crunch to the recipe. Well, this is completely optional. If you want to add pomegranate, it's okay, otherwise you can skip also. Now filling the top of the jar with the mixture of chia seeds and it's done. You can garnish it with some pomegranate. You can also add fruits of your choice like kiwi, oranges. Do give this recipe a try. Trust me, you're gonna love this. For the ingredients of the recipe, do check out the end of the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.